So everyone, hello, good morning. I want to show you how to um, sync your music with your video, or how better to say, how to mark your music for creating AMVs or creating CSGO edits and any art gaming edits. So you got your music file, audio file or anything, MP3. I take for example this one. I bring it first of all in Premiere Pro. You need two apps for that. Premiere Pro and After Effects in my way if you want to do it. You can do it in individual program, you can do it in After Effects as well, but the best way is to do it in two apps. So my sequence is wrong. I change it to 920 to 1080p. Forget about that. So good, you got your video file in your sequence. That's great. So I'll listen to it. Yeah, that sounds great. So it's around like 3 minutes. I don't want to make a 3-minute montage. Actually, no one does. Normally they do like 1 minute. So I cut it from here. I delete this part and I render it first. I don't mark anything. I render the video first, the audio to, for example, like MP3, and then I want to put it in my desktop to find it easy. I want to change the name because I do have 2 videos there. Great. So nice, that was it. So we got this video right now. It's edited, it's cut it, it's shorter than normal than the first one. So we bring it right here. This video is ready to market. So you might wonder why I do it here and not doing it in After Effects. You can make it bigger like that, because in Premiere Pro the timeline and everything is like 10 times faster than After Effects and 10 times easier. So it makes sense if you mark the audio here first and then go to After Effects. So for example, I found the beats pretty easy like this in this sound bar. Yeah, if you hear any beat, just press M. For example, I wanna add it there, 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 there. There is no beats there, okay? You can't hear any beats, but I just do it for example. Like for here can be a beat. You see? Normally, yeah, you can check the above bar and the bottom bar. They are normal and sometimes different, and they show different beats, not heats, and you can just mark everything you want. Yeah. I don't know what it is. I don't want to speak right now, but I did mark a lot. So, for example, I did mark some beats. I don't need to do anything now. Just leave. You don't need to save anything. You did everything right. That's it. So you go to your After Effects and create a new composition. It doesn't matter what, and then take that video file that you marked, is the short one, bring it to After Effects. Boom. This is with marks. Look. It's right there. All is there. No matter how many times you use it, it's always there. It says forever the marks with the audio file. Yeah. I want to show you how to do it in After Effects. You press L 2 times while selecting the audio file. You got it right there. You can play it and you can press here in this marker here. But you see, it's pretty hard. It takes time. It's not as easy as Premiere Pro. It takes a lot of times. It's slow, it's laggy, it's not fun. So yeah, if you learned something and you enjoyed, it's make me happy. Have a good day and bye.